Okay, I'm here in this bathroom we just finished up, and you can see there's some really cool design features here. We have this wall that we did right behind me. We didn't grout. Now, what a cool concept. Never tried it before with a regular ceramic tile. This tile is a glazed stoneware with a chiseled edge on it. Beautiful color and really cool concept that the homeowner had to not grout the tile. We got the wall up, and when it came to selecting grout, we were going over colors, and she said, I really like the look without grout. We've never tried that before, but it came out great. What a beautiful, sublime feature wall behind a bathtub. Really organic look to the tile. I just love it. We also did this shower. So this is a big walk-in shower. You can see we built some posts. We wrapped the posts in Schluter Quadeck to match. The trim came out just perfect. This was another idea that the homeowner had. This was a completely closed-in shower before it got opened up, and using a lot of glass to let the light in. Big open feel to the shower. One of the things I need to do today is I got a tile and grate, one of FlowFX's. This was actually a prototype from Chase at FlowFX. Customer wanted a tile and grate, so we used this, and it actually didn't work because it has a rain head coming down right on it, and the water wouldn't flow through it when it was completely flooded, and it was really slow. So I sent it back to Chase. He made a few modifications on it, so hopefully it works. So I'm gonna check this out. Again, check out this shower. It's got these double doors going into it, and I don't know how I'm gonna get in there and turn the rain head on without getting wet. So here goes. I'm gonna give this a try. Good news, the drain modification works. It's draining good now. So I'm letting this rain head run for a while. But yeah, that's one thing that you gotta keep in mind. If you're doing a tile and grate, a 4-inch tileable grate directly under a rain head, there can be drainage issues with it. So it's something to take into consideration when using a tile and grate. But the modifications that Chase made work perfectly. It's draining good, awesome. What a good feeling. I did not want to have to tear this out and redo it.